In this video, we're going to add a user into the field legal system. Note that the field legal system has users and inspectors. A user is someone who can access the Field Legal admin website. An inspector can only access the Field Legal mobile app on their tablet. There are two ways to add users. First, you can select Add Users under Get Started from the main dashboard. Alternatively, you can select it from the navigation menu on the left under the User Management tab. Here you'll see the company users page with all existing users. You can add, edit, or delete a user. To add a user, click the Add User button on the top of the page. Enter the context details. Note that the only fields you're required to complete are the first and last name, email, and permission roles. The rest of the information is optional. Once the information is filled out, select Add User. Once the user is created, they will receive an email notifying them that their account has been created. Once the user activates their account, their status will change to verified.